I'm backing up, Adam away. I'm backing up, Adam away.
So Greg and I are cookbook authors, and we love China. We thought, why don't we take one love, match it with the other love, and it would be a big bang of love.
And we mostly come here to eat and drink beer. And if there's one food that goes best with beer, it's Shaochi. Little dishes, street food.
Greg and I have been traveling to China for the last 20 years, and the first thing we want to do is eat. The last thing we want to do is eat. In fact, everything we do in between is eating, and sometimes we walk up a mountain and see a temple to walk off the previous meal, make room for the next meal.
That's delicious. It's pastrami sandwich. It is a pastrami sandwich.
Sitting on the street corner, having a few bites, having a few laughs, meeting lots of people, a lot of noise, honking horns, a piece of China that I love and I'm glad we were able to find again. I'm nervous about getting hit by a car behind me. Yeah.
And so far as street food culture, this place is insane.
There's not much nuance in Chinese street.
100 stalls, 300 people at any...
There's not much nuance in Chinese.
Oh, great.
We've got to move.